When it comes to drones, DJI is a name that's hard to beat. Whether you're into capturing stunning aerial shots, exploring new tech, or just enjoying the thrill of flying, DJI has something for everyone. In this video, we're diving into 7 amazing DJI drones you can buy in 2025, perfect for beginners, pros, and everyone in between. Let's check out what makes each of these drones a top pick for the coming year. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the Mini series to a whole new level, setting a benchmark for lightweight drones. With its cutting-edge technology packed into a sub-250-gram body, this drone combines portability with unmatched performance. The Mini 4 Pro boasts a 4K 60fps HDR camera with a larger 1x1.3-inch sensor, delivering breathtaking clarity and detail, even in challenging lighting. What sets this mini drone apart is its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a first for the Mini series, ensuring safer and more confident flights. With an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and features like Active Track 360 and Master Shots, the Mini 4 Pro is designed for both casual flyers and content creators aiming for cinematic results. Whether you're capturing your backyard or exploring stunning landscapes, the DJI Mini 4 Pro redefines what a mini drone can do, making it the ultimate companion for aerial enthusiasts. The DJI Neo is proof that big things truly come in small packages. Designed with travelers in mind, this compact drone packs a punch with its impressive features. Its foldable design makes it easy to slip into your backpack, ready for any adventure. Don't let the small size fool you. This drone is equipped with a 4K camera that captures stunning photos and videos, ensuring your travel memories are picture perfect. The Neo offers an extended battery life for longer flights and advanced obstacle avoidance, so you can focus on exploring without worrying about crashes. Plus, its intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Orbit make it beginner-friendly while still catering to seasoned drone pilots. Whether you're hiking through mountains or strolling along the beach, the DJI Neo is the ideal travel companion for capturing your journey from a whole new perspective. The DJI Mini 3 Pro may be a generation older, but it still holds its ground as a compact yet mighty drone. Weighing less than 250 grams, this lightweight marvel doesn't just bypass registration requirements in many regions, it also delivers top-notch performance. Its 4K HDR camera with a 1x1.3-inch sensor ensures vibrant, detailed shots, whether you're capturing sunrises, landscapes, or cityscapes. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you can stay in the air long enough to create stunning content. Its advanced features like obstacle avoidance and focus track provide smooth, professional-quality footage, even for beginners. The Mini 3 Pro's portability makes it perfect for travelers and creators who need powerful tools in a small package. While newer drones are out there, the DJI Mini 3 Pro remains a reliable and versatile choice, proving that great things don't have to be brand new. The DJI Avata 2 takes immersive drone flying to the next level, designed for adrenaline junkies and action enthusiasts. As a top-tier FPV drone, it offers a thrilling flight experience, letting you see the world from the drone's perspective in real time. Equipped with a 4K 60fps camera and advanced stabilization, the Avata 2 captures smooth and dynamic footage, perfect for high-speed chases, tight maneuvers, or breathtaking landscapes. Built with a durable and compact frame, the Avata 2 is designed to handle tough environments while staying portable. With its improved battery life and advanced obstacle detection, this drone ensures longer, safer flights for both beginners and pros. Pair it with DJI's Goggles 2 for a truly immersive experience that feels like you're soaring through the skies. The DJI Avata 2 isn't just a drone, it's your ticket to high-octane aerial action like never before. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate drone for professionals who demand top-tier performance and versatility. Featuring a cutting-edge triple camera system, including a Hasselblad 4x3 CMOS sensor and dual telephoto lenses, this drone delivers unparalleled image quality and creative flexibility. Whether you're shooting cinematic videos or high-resolution stills, the Mavic 3 Pro ensures every detail shines with precision. With an impressive flight time of up to 43 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to capture the perfect shot. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing and advanced navigation features provide a seamless flying experience, even in challenging conditions. The Mavic 3 Pro also boasts intelligent modes like Hyperlapse, Master Shots, and Active Track 5.0, making it the go-to choice for filmmakers, photographers, and content creators. If you're looking for the ultimate tool to elevate your aerial projects, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the best in its class. The DJI Air 3S strikes the perfect balance between performance and affordability, making it the best value for money drone you can buy right now. Packed with dual cameras, a wide angle, and a 3x telephoto, it lets you capture stunning 4K 60 FPS videos and vibrant photos with exceptional clarity and versatility. Whether you're filming landscapes or zooming in on distant details, the Air 3S has you covered. This drone offers an impressive 46-minute flight time, giving you more opportunities to explore the skies without frequent recharging. Its advanced obstacle sensing and intelligent flight modes like Focus Track and Waypoint make it easy for both beginners and experienced pilots to capture professional-grade footage. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Air 3S is perfect for travelers, hobbyists, and creators looking for high-end features at a budget-friendly price. If you want top-notch performance without breaking the bank, the DJI Air 3S is the drone to beat. The DJI Air 3 is the perfect budget-friendly alternative to the Air 3S, offering a fantastic mix of features at a more affordable price. With a powerful wide-angle camera capable of 4K 30 FPS video and crisp photography, this drone ensures quality content without straining your wallet. It's an excellent choice for casual users and budding creators who want a capable drone for everyday use. With a solid 40-minute flight time, the Air 3 provides plenty of airtime to capture your shots. While it lacks the dual camera setup of its pricier sibling, it still includes essential features like obstacle sensing, focus track, and quick shots, making it beginner-friendly and easy to use. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for on-the-go creators looking to travel light. If you want reliable performance and quality without the premium price, the DJI Air 3 proves you don't need to spend big to get a great drone. From compact travel drones to professional-grade aerial powerhouses, DJI continues to lead the pack with options for every need and budget. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these 7 DJI drones for 2025 offer something special for everyone. So, which one fits your style? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow drone enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing drone content. Happy flying!